That's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Well, it all started 7 days ago. Imagine you tried dropshipping and you gave it a shot, and 5 years later you have generated more than 10 million in revenue, but you also created 2 new companies because of dropshipping. That's exactly what happened to me and what I want to show you guys in today's video. So today's video will be a little bit different, but this time I will show you more behind the scenes. Because yes, I have done dropshipping, I have generated more than 10 million in revenue with dropshipping, but because of that I was able to create 2 new businesses as well, 2 7-figure businesses. One is the Freedom Achievers community, where we teach people how to do Google Ads dropshipping, but I also have Icarus Agency, the agency that helps dropshippers scale their brands on Google. So that's exactly why we're here. Today we have this beautiful place. I can show you a little bit around. This is the beautiful place that we rented for the team of Icarus Agency. I have 11 full-time people working for us, and we rented this amazing place where we just spent the whole week working together, reflecting on the last quarter, putting new goals, new timelines for the next quarter, and just chill and vibe. So this will be a very nice kind of vlog where you guys will see the whole week what we do, what I teach, what we do in the business, and what goes well and what goes wrong. So I take you guys along with me. As you guys can see, we're at the beach. We're starting the day off. We just finished the lunch, and now we're taking the team surfing. They don't know yet, so they don't know what we're gonna do. But of course, they see the waves, they see people in the water, so they know what we're probably gonna do. But this is my second time surfing. I'm pretty bad at it, so you guys will see some nice shots from me trying to surf and trying to stay on the board, which will not work, but yeah. I got these glasses as well, the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses, so I can wear them and I can show you guys around even more, which I'm really excited for. So yeah, let's join the rest of the team to get ourselves dressed, and let's get on the surfing board. See you guys later.
Hotel room, meet you there. Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself. Just traveling the world. Will I see you again? Trying different drugs and girls. Yeah, we are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All alone, we are calling out now together. Never looking down, I'm just an aura of what's in front of me. Addicted to champagne, champagne. Fuck the room, we buy the whole way, whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the planes at, yeah.
All right guys, we're done with the surfing. It was insane. I think we said that I would love to catch 3 waves. And to be honest, I catched 3 waves out of 60. So that's a 2% conversion rate, which is decent, but we can optimize a little bit more. But now I'm enjoying an alcohol-free beer. We're not drinking still for a long time. As long as my wife is pregnant, I'm like, we're not drinking. And it optimizes my sleep, everything as well. And I'm trying to get fit without alcohol. So as you guys can see, we're chilling here with the whole team. Just like literally getting our breath back, and now I think it's time for dinner. Look at Hion. I think he's dead. He has drank too many beers now already. But no, this will be, I think, the closure of the day. We will go to dinner. Maybe we'll record something in there, and then otherwise we see you tomorrow. See you guys soon. All right guys, so today is Monday. That's actually the first day of the quarterly planning. We just did our week start. We just discussed what we're gonna do today. We will have some presentations today about the intention, the mission, the vision, to align again, to do the recap of Q1, to do also some goal setting of Q2, the milestones, the OKRs, objective key results. Why I'm making this video, again, it's like showing you guys why your life and how your life can change when you start doing dropshipping. Because all of this that we see here started because I just tried dropshipping in 2018, generated more than 10 million in revenue with Google Ads dropshipping. And now we have a Google Ads agency. We have a community teaching people how to do Google Ads dropshipping. So now we have multiple income streams, but also a bigger team. And I love to work with a team. With dropshipping, normally you have these, the team is like all over the place, Philippines, Pakistan, India, etc., etc. And now I have actually a team that's around me, which is really, really good. So now we're doing some fun activities as well. We're going to get, I believe, a private chef for the next 5 days. So a chef will come in. So we will have some good food, because that's health. That's health is wealth. So yeah. Now I'm just doing a small walk because I've been working for the last 1.5 hours and my back is stiff and burned like hell. So yeah, I will take you guys along the day and see you at the next activity.
I just feel like if we want to elevate it, at the end of the day, it's just like, all right, who are the
Better
best?
people. Yeah.
Who are the best at this shit?
So yesterday we finished the first day of the quality planning of the agency, which went very well. We did some great presentations. Me and Hank presented the new mission and the new vision to the team, and it was really, really good. After that we had a workshop of one of our employees, Hian. He made a presentation / workshop about digital minimalism, which was really fun. So everyone was able to share what kind of social media they're using and why they're using it, and how they are going to declutter them. Because we have so much time that we spend behind our screens, like our MacBooks or our phones, which is just useless. So that was a really cool workshop. And now in the meantime, I am preparing my workshop. I will have this in 2 days and I will show you guys how it looks like. It will be a mastermind or workshop inside the mind of a dropshipper: speed, chaos, and scaling smarter. And I just, I was just making it. It's not finished yet, but it is. I'll make some funny stuff in here. Even Mark Zuckerberg will be coming back here. But yeah, even the Lambo guys, as you guys can see. Why am I making this workshop? Well, I'm still dropshipping, as you guys know. I'm still doing Google Ads dropshipping. We just generated, I believe, our first 400K with a new dropshipping store. And I'm going to explain to the team, what did I do differently than our clients in the agency? Because a lot of clients are still struggling to get even a 1K day, while I'm just doing a 1K day within the first 2 weeks. So that's what I'm doing. Today we have a beach workout as well planned, which will be amazing. So we ordered a lot of sunscreen, but it will be good. I will take you guys with the beach workout so you guys can see what we do. And this is a really good way of bonding with the team. So I see you guys at the beach.
Let's go get a workout. Let's go get a workout. Come on. Let's go get a workout.
I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, no need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared, honey, maybe you're so.
Sorry guys!
But I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the clouds below. I ain't worried about it.
We just finished the workout on the beach. It was amazing. Look at how beautiful this beach is. The beach is amazing. We did a great workout. We did some good team connection as well, because we did a little circuit. Everyone was literally having a fun. I think some people were like, after 2 minutes, I'm done, I'm out. So yeah, we need to work on these people, but now we're gonna enjoy the beach a little bit, enjoy the water, go to the bar, and then have some good dinner. So yeah, I will just enjoy right now.
Guys, what activity do you think it's happening tomorrow?
Skydiving?
Skydiving.
None of them.
Play padel.
Nope. Paintball.
I see a red door and I want it painted black. No
Okay guys, I just lost paintball. So we will be the chickens and the team will shoot us like crazy. Wish me good luck.
My love hope never to come back.
Oh my
Did I get shot once?
Oh my
Did I get shot once?
Oh my god.
This is amazing.
Hey guys, so this is day 4 again from the quality planning. We just did this morning some client work and we did some presentations as well from the team members. I did work on my dropshipping store. We're scaling pretty good, to be honest. So that's what we're doing right now. Because I have 1 media buyers with me here, I worked with them together on my store this morning, which was amazing. So now I'm just all dressed up because I'm gonna do a nice presentation, as you guys can see in the back. Inside the mind of a dropshipper, speed, chaos, and scaling smarter. Because we have so many people as a client that are still dropshippers with a short term of mindset. And that's not good for our media buyers and for our team because we have a long-term vision with the Icarus branding. So yeah, that will be my presentation. After that, we're gonna play some padel. And after that, we have some dinner. So I see you guys in the next clip. Now we just finished our presentation. The presentation went very well. The team loved it. After that, my wife came by, my dog came by. We just lunched together, and now we're up to a padel. That's of course big booming here in Europe, especially here in Portugal. People love it. So we have rented 2 courts with the whole team. So that's what we're gonna do. So you guys will see some nice shots, us playing padel. So let's see who will win. Let's go. Good morning, guys. It is almost the final day. We have 1 more day left. Tomorrow is Saturday. Then we will enjoy Lisbon. But today we have a pretty busy day. We have a lot of workshops. 3 hours of OKR leadership. So I will go with the whole leadership team. We make our own objectives, key results, where we're gonna work on the next quarter. And then we have a feedback workshop, which is cool. Everyone in the team was able to give feedback about each other. But then we put it in a ChatGPT to make it anonymous. So now we have a full list of feedback, progressive feedback for the whole team. That's what we're gonna do today. So 6-7 hours of workshops. We have a photo shoot planned. I have a community call as well with the yearly members. I did not see the community for a long time. So let's see what this will be. And of course, my beautiful dog joined. He's bringing the ball right now. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. You wanna play? So he joined as well. He joined the quality planning this time. This is the first time that he's joining. Diego, sit. That's very good. So yeah, this is amazing to have the dog with us in the quality planning. He has, of course, the pool. He has the huge garden, and he loves to swim. We played 4 hours of padel yesterday, so my shins are a little bit screwed. I have a little bit of shin splints, so that's a little bit bad. And I'm still recovering from paintball as well. I'm full of bruises, so it's going very, very well. And I think, guys, this is something I want to tell you. It's literally just because of dropshipping. Like I told you in the beginning of the video, I was able to do this. We have an amazing week with the team, and so many people that are joining here, the private chef, the personal trainer, even the padel trainer, they all say like, you guys have an amazing life. You guys have an amazing life. And this is all thanks to dropshipping. This is all thanks to Google Ads dropshipping, because the agency is a Google Ads media buying agency. So guys, if you take a leap of faith, you can have this kind of life. But now it's time to start the day, and I will see you in the next clip. Oh, in the water. Hey guys, what's up? We're literally just finishing up right now. We did 6 hours of workshops today. We had a nice reflection workshop and feedback to each other. We also had a OKR with the leadership, which was amazing. I gave a presentation yesterday about how you should be able to scale the dropshipping stores when you're doing Google Ads dropshipping. I completely recorded this thing and I actually made a YouTube video about it. So if you guys would love to know how you scale your dropshipping store on Google Ads with dropshipping, you should be checking out this video because that's exactly what I've been teaching here in the quality planning. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.